Kimmy from Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden, and this is my May allotment plot tour. I've tidied up a lot since last time. I've actually got a little seating area. That's all the greenhouse glass that still needs to go in the greenhouse. This is the strawberry tower. I need to do a bit of weeding because it's got some poppies in. It's not too bad. And I've got some strawberries around here that my friend gave me. And that's these ones. Strawberry Temptation. So that's all this row and this row. And there's some poppies. This is my perennial sweet peas. Made a pot for it. Just have to keep pushing them in. But it's growing really well. That's the onion bed, that's my red onions. That's my shallots. And these are white onions that I did from seed that I planted the other day. And I've got loads left over. And I've got more at home as well. The grass is all cut nicely. Now that I've got my own trimmer. This is the apple tree. Still got some blossom on. It's mostly all gone now. That's all my house leeks. I got a load the other day to take home to put around my garden. The daffodils are finally gone, I need to cut the heads off. That's the leftover onions, and I've got another one of these at home, so I'm going to have loads of onions. I might try and swap some for some Brussels sprouts, because my Brussels sprouts didn't come up. The cosmos I still need to plant out. My chrysanthemums, and some things at the back in the coal frame. A lupin plant. I planted some chrysanthemums here. Here, so I can see them when I come in. Some self-seeded pot marigolds in the corners. It's my autumn fruit and raspberries. That's the yellow raspberries. And summer fruit and raspberries. Just about want a flower. A chair nicely under the trees for shade from the other day when it was too hot. Just put the owl there from the other allotment. Yes, the greenhouse is still not built. It's my time now, just about to plant a flower. Gooseberries. And my tayberry has just started going into flower. I just put plastic around the edges of the greenhouse because I won't be able to get to that when it's built. And I have mare's tail. This is where the other greenhouse was. I've just weeded the other day. It's all the garlic that will be ready to harvest soon, next month. Some more chrysanthemums. Some comfrey that I really need to make some feed for this year with. It's just got some metal there and it's grown in the little gap between the trees and the fence. And that was here when I first got this allotment. That's how much I've got. It's never seeded and went anywhere else, it's just stayed there. So I don't know what type it is. And there's some strawberries. These are just like cream strawberries. I might move to the strawberry tower, I don't know. And I just covered the compost up because it was starting to get seeds on it. This will be the Three Sisters method bed. I'm going to plant pumpkins, a sweet corn that I've got at home, and maybe some peas or beans. This is going to stay the Brassica bed. I normally change them over, but I'm not this year. I've already got some broccoli, kale. I don't know if you can see it, it's so small. But it's just started getting eaten by the birds. So I've put some things there, I need to get some more to scare them. We've only got 2 purple rotten broccoli left. Some cabbages. I'm not sure what these are. I got told they were Brussels sprouts, but they don't look like Brussels sprouts to me. This is going to be my walk-in Brassica cage. I've just took the net home to wash it, and I'm going to sort the little holes before I put it over. But this is where it's going to be. And inside I've got some cauliflower that side. Cabbages here that have also been getting eaten over the last couple of days. So I need to get that net on quickly. This is the carrot and spring onion bed that I showed last month, sowing them. And I've just weeded it the other day because it was really weedy. So I think next year, in the winter time, it's getting covered with cardboard or something. And this has got turnips in it apparently. It's my globe artichoke. And there's another one here. They're really small because I just moved them in the spring. But I've got some globe artichokes on them. It's the currant bush. And this is my potatoes I planted the other day left. And this side is Erica's little Welsh allotment potatoes that I've kind of covered. I need to cover a bit better. Some more pot marigolds, some chives each side of the path. And this is my seed bed. It's got chard and spinach in, and it's got lettuce. I've all come through. I just need to weed it. I've got peas here. I had to sow peas in the greenhouse because the mice ate them that I sowed directly. I normally sow them directly every year with no problem. But the mice ate them this year. So I might just carry on doing it in the greenhouse. And these are my cabbages in the seed bed that I need to transplant now and get them out because they're massive. Can you see the spinach and the chard? And that's my lettuce and rocket. My 3 honey berries. I put that there just to go to seed for the bees. This is how much the rhubarb's grown. This back bit is the bit I need to work on to tidy up a bit. I'm hopefully going to be building my polytunnel soon. but I say that every time and it never happens. I just trimmed it all down the other day with the trimmer. The chickens. And that's it. I forgot to show the dahlia I dug up a while ago and potted on. I'm going to fill this with compost and just put it in here so I remember to take it in the winter time. And some bamboo. So that is my May 2021 allotment plot tour. I haven't got as much done as I would have liked to, but I did have a lot on with moving allotments and life. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye!